Hello. Hello. Why nature make us feel uncomfortable at some time? Sometimes you will see that you are not feel comfortable. And that time nature want to tell you something. We are the happier people on this earth. And we have a sadness, the most sadness things in our life. We are happier people. Daniel, I'm always happy and happy. I am very happy in this nature. I love nature. But sometimes, nature make me feel uncomfortable. In my past, I didn't know anything about nature. When I'm not feel comfortable, sometimes I am going house to house and begging those they has offended me the past, but I go there to beg them. Sometimes I beg people because I'm not feel comfortable. I know that maybe what has happened between me and them, maybe as something small that we talk about it, but I think that maybe because of that thing we talk about it, that is why the person will take me to juju or any place to destroy me. That is why I'm not feeling comfortable. Then I'm going there to beg them. That time I don't know that nature have some time of some people life that you will not feel comfortable at that time. You will not feel comfortable. But that condition will never be permanent. It will go. So anytime you see that you feel uncomfortable, it won't be there. My brother, it won't be there. My sister, it won't be there. It will go. But you see, it's like it's not easy. It's like somebody is doing you something in spirit. You can go to hospital. They'll give you medicine. But now, when I not feel comfortable, I know it's my nature. When they give me medicine, I take the medicine. But still, it is not going. The comfortable, I'm not feeling comfortable. It's not sickness. It's a harmonious time. Nature has prepared me so beautiful that sometimes he let me go down, feel uncomfortable. That time, I can see myself that I'm feeling uncomfortable. That time, I used to visit my friends, old friends. Those I see them for long. Then I walk going to their house and greet them. I'm making phone calls. Are you at home? I'm coming to you. I'm coming to visit you. Anytime you don't feel comfortable, you see that you can't sleep. You can't do what you can do at the first time. What you can do, you can't do at that time. My brother, my sister, my elder, please. It's not sickness. It's nature that has made you feel that. It's harmonious time for you. That time we used to harmony, making broken relationship. We let it come up, and that time we feel that we are human being. We can test dead. That time we see that We are all one people. That time we feel uncomfortable, that we feel that nature or life is not 100% as we see that we can use life to boast. That time we feel uncomfortable. We have to give us more ideas in life. So if nature make you feel uncomfortable one day or 2 weeks, don't feel worried. Stay blessed.